My friends, in this video I'm talking about the Siacoin latest energy update, what's going on this time in the Siacoin. And this video I will share the latest update of the Siacoin. So before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. In this time, my friends, first of all, if we talk about the price of the Siacoin, so now the price of the Siacoin is 0.01 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Siacoin. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the Siacoin price in a Bitcoin and a BTC, so 0.000039 Bitcoin BTC is the currently price of the Siacoin in the market. Other hand, my friends, the 24 hours trading volume, market cap of the Siacoin, available supply, total supply of the Siacoin, every update is present here, my friends. Let me show you the price changes of the Siacoin. The last 1 hour, last 24 hours changes occurs in the Siacoin is completely negative. Completely, my friends, the price of the Siacoin is going down. There's no possibilities the price will pump at this time, my friends. You know what, my friends, and my prediction about Siacoin is that if they start dumping, so I think that they continue this falls for the next 2-3 days, my friends, and after 2-3 days there is a possibility the price will pump and they will give you profit, my friends. Oh, my friends, now I'm going wrong, my friends. If you do technical analysis of this price chart, so you can see here that in the July the Siacoin start pumping, my friends, but it's sometime you can see here now this time the price falls down for some time, same like that at this time the price falls down for some time, so same like that the price falls down at this time for some time, and after some passage of time the price will again explode, the price will again pump, my friends. So it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel about the Siacoin? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel, my friends.